Guys, we are invited to a tea party. Let's see what's inside this giant present. What's inside? I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, what a lovely tea this is. Could you please pass me a crumpet? Tea is delicious. I need some more. Whoa. Itty Bitty Prettys is the finest tea. Oh, this needs some sugar. One lump. Whoa. This is so sparkly and jolly. Wow. Now we must find a doll. Whoa. Isn't she lovely? She looks very, very rare. You can mold the slime. Well, she has her own stand. Oh, we have Cinderella. Thank you so much, ZURU, for sending us Itty Bitty Prettys. Enjoy. Hi, guys.
Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Itty Bitty Prettys Tea Party Surprise. This is the ultimate pretend play experience. It includes over 25 surprises and a gigantic teacup. What's inside? Nobody knows. So let's get it unboxed. Hope you enjoyed my other videos, my little kids. They were turned into little gentlemen just by opening up the Itty Bitty Prettys. Your kids can be one too if you get this. These are actually available now at Target and Walmart, and they're so much fun. They really do encourage pretend play. So let's get started. Want to thank ZURU for sending us so many Itty Bitty Prettys to unbox. It's going to be World Tea Party Day extravaganza on our YouTube channel, so make sure you keep watching. Let's get unboxing. Wow, whole world of tea party fun in here. So much pretend play packed in one little package, or one large package. Look how cute. There's a little tea bag lock, a teapot, and a bunch of other surprises. Look at what's inside here. Oh my gosh. We have some fizzy sugar cubes and some more surprises inside the teapot. It's like never ending. There's also 2 saucer stands for the dolls, a bunch of blind bags, and there's even surprises in these little doors over here behind these little question marks. Check out this kitty cat motif in the background. How cute is this? It's the collector's guide for the Itty Bitty Prettys Tea Party Surprise. The instructions are really, really simple and so easy to follow. Remember that swirl of tea that I found at the top right in the beginning of the video? Well, you're supposed to open that with the spoon, and it turns into a table. So you could have your Itty Bitty Prettys sit at the table. And guess what? Itty Bitty Prettys is all about togetherness. There's always room for one more at their tea table. First thing you're supposed to do to unbox, reveal your tea bags. Reveal the dolls. Whoa. Oh my gosh, she's like a little kitty cat. She is Chai Chai. Let's get her dressed. This doll is so super cute. Here's Chai Chai. She has a fishbone earring and a yarn earring in gold. She is all decked out in glitter, and she has a glittery outfit and big, beautiful pink hair. These dolls are really super poseable, so you can make playtime even more fun. You can play with dolls for open-ended play and some pretend play with the actual playset. And have them stand up on their own or place them on top of their little saucer. I think these dolls are gonna be a hit for the holiday season. If you see them, definitely grab them. They are really super cute. Honestly, big contender for other dolls of this size. Oh wait, this is something I did not expect. We have a whole collection of molds and even plates to create our own exciting desserts and have our own party. Okay, let's get that other doll open. Whoa. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. We have this beautiful red-headed doll. She kind of reminds me of Ariel. I wonder if her outfit is like mermaid-esque. Let's see. It's so pretty. Wow, we got 2 exclusives. I didn't know that you get 2 exclusive. I thought you got 1 common and 1 exclusive. We actually got Ginger Tea. That is so cool. Here is Ginger Tea. She is so cute. Blind bags open and see how this setup is gonna be. Oh my gosh! We have a little hairbrush, teapot, oh my gosh, golden cat eyeglasses. Oh my gosh, little cat ears. Perfect for Ginger Tea, silver tiara, and silver diamond studded glasses. Now you take the little tiny like cupcake liners and little heart-shaped cups and things like that. These are the molds for your compound to create little desserts. And then you could use all these little accessories that come with each of the dolls to add some fun to each of the desserts. How cute is that? Now that we have the entire teacup unboxed, look at everything that you get. You get this teapot, you get this cool table, you get this really cool hairbrush to brush their hair, and they come with a bunch of accessories and little crystal pets. I love that it comes with its own sparkly compound to create your own desserts. I just think this set is so super cute. And don't forget the 1 teapot, a spoon, and your own little teacup. Now, if you have some friends to join in on the fun, there's plenty of room at the Itty Bitty Prettys table. What's really cool is everything you could put back inside. You could put all the little pieces inside of the teapot. Maybe you can even put the compound in and just really have fun and be able to take it with you on the go. Look how cute this is. You can close it right back up and put all of your toys back inside. Thank you so much to ZURU Toys for sending us Itty Bitty Prettys to unbox and share with you.